आपको स्क्रीन पे प्रिस्क्राइब टेक्स्ट बुक का टाइटल नज़र आ रहा है, न्यू सिलेबस मैथमेटिक्स बुक 2 7th एडिशन ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस। Today's student learning outcome is expansion and simplification of simple algebraic expression. Classwork, exercise 4A, textbook page number 120, question number 6, part B and D, question number 9, part B, question number 10, part B, question number 11, part B, D and F. And practice now 7, question number 2. Okay, now let's start with question number 6, part B. You can see the question on the screen. Exercise 4A, page number 120. Here we use distributive law. 9x will multiply by minus 3x square y and 9x multiply by minus 7x z. 9 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 27. X multiplied by x square y minus 9 7 the 63 multiplied by x multiplied by x z. In next step, x power 1 plus 2, that is x cube, and x power 1 plus 1, that is x square. Our solution is minus 27 x cube y minus 63 x square z. Okay, let's move towards question number 6, part D. You can see the question on the screen. Here we use distributive law. Minus 5x will multiply by minus 6x minus 4x cube y minus 3y. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 6, that is 30. X multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by minus 4, that is 20. X multiplied by x cube y minus 5 multiplied by minus 3, that is 15. X multiplied by y. In next step, exponent of x will be added. X 1 plus 1, that is x square. X 1 plus 3, that is x raised to the power 4. And the solution is 30x square plus 20x raised to the power 4y plus 15x y. Okay, now move towards question number 9, part B. You can see the question on the screen. 7x will multiply by x minus 4y, minus 3y multiplied by x minus 4y, 5x multiplied by y minus 2x, minus 9y multiplied by y minus 2x. 7x multiplied by x, 7x squared. 7x multiplied by minus 4y, that is minus 28xy. Minus 3y multiplied by x, that is minus 3xy. Minus 3y multiplied by minus 4y, that is 12y squared. Plus 5x multiplied by y plus 5xy plus 5x multiplied by minus 2x minus 10x squared minus 9y multiplied by y minus 9y squared minus 9y multiplied by minus 2x, that is plus 18xy. Now group like terms. 7 x squared minus 10x squared, 7 minus 10, that is minus 3x squared, minus 28 minus 3 plus 5 plus 18, add the coefficient of term xy, that is minus 8 xy, 12 minus 9 y squared, that is plus 3y squared. So our solution is minus 3x squared minus 8xy plus 3y squared. Okay, now move toward question number 10, part B. You can see the question on the screen. X will multiply by x squared plus x plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1. X multiplied by x squared, that is x cube. X multiplied by x, that is x squared. X multiplied by 1, that is x. Plus 2 multiplied by x squared, 2x squared. 2 multiplied by x, 2x. 2 ones are 2. Now combine the like terms. X cube plus x squared plus 2x squared, that is 3x squared. X plus 2x, that is 3x. plus 2, and our solution is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay student, let's move towards practice now 7. Question number 2. Factorize 3x square y square minus 14xy plus 16. To solve this kind of question, we need to find the product of first and last term. 3x square y square multiplied by 16 here, that is 48x square y square. We need two factors of 48x square y square such that the sum of these two factors will be equal to our middle term. Here is minus 14xy. Let's try some factors of 48. 12 for the 48, but if we add 12 plus 4, that is 16, which are not our required factors. Now let's try 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48, and if we add 6 plus 8, that is 14. But in our middle term there is a negative sign, so we add minus 6 minus 8, that is minus 14. So our required terms is minus 8xy minus 6xy. Now take xy as common from 3x square y square minus 8xy and minus 2 as common from minus 6xy plus 16. So if you take common, 3xy minus 8 will be the same here and it should be same. So our required factorization form is 3xy minus 8 xy minus 2. Okay student, now let's move towards exercise 4a, page number 120. Factorize the given expression. First multiply first term and last term, that is c square minus 21 d square, that is minus 21 c square d square. Now we need two factor of minus 21 c square d square such that the sum of these two factors will be equal to our middle term. So if we multiply 7 with 3, that is 21, we need negative sign, so minus 4cd equal to minus 7cd plus 3d. So our required terms are minus 7cd plus 3cd. Now take common c from c square minus 7cd and plus 3d as common from 3cd minus 21d square. So here we get the common terms c minus 7d, and our required solution is c plus 3d, c minus 7d. Okay student, now let's move toward next question. Question number 11, part D. Factorize 3m square minus 16mn minus 12n square. To solve this question, we need to find the product of first term and last term. 3m square minus 12n square, that is minus 36m square n square. And we need two factor of 30 minus 36m square n square such that the sum of these two factor will be equal to our middle term, that is minus 16m. Now let's try some factor of 36. 9 for the 36, but if we add minus 9 minus 4, that is minus 13, which is not equal to our middle term, that is minus 16. Now try some other factors. 18 multiplied by 2, that is 36, and if we add minus 18 with 2, that is minus 16. So our required terms are minus 18m and plus 2mm. Take 3m as common from 3m square minus 18m and take 2n as common from 2mn minus 12n square. So we get the same term, common term m minus 6m, and our solution is 3m plus 2m, m minus 6m. Okay student, now let's move towards the last question. Factorize 2r square t minus 9rst plus 10s square t. Here we can see t is the common in all three terms, so take t as a common. 2r square minus 9rs plus 10 square in bracket with t common. Now factorize 2r square minus 9rs plus 10s square. Find the product of first term and last term, that is 20r square s square. And now we need two factors of 20r square s square such that the sum of these two factors will be equal to our middle term, that is minus 9rs. Now let's try 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, and because we need negative sign in our middle term, so if we write minus 5 multiplied by minus 4, that is also 20, and if we add minus 5rs with minus 4rs, that is minus rs. So our required terms are minus 5rs minus 4rs. Now take rs common from 2r square minus 5rs, and take minus 2s common from minus 4rs plus 10s square. So the common term we find here 2r minus 5s, and our solution is t in bracket 2rs minus 5s and in bracket r minus 2s. Okay student, you can see the homework of this lecture. Exercise 4a, textbook page number 120, question number 5 part BC, question number 6 part AC, question number 9 part A, question number 10 part A, question number 11 part A, C and E, and practice now 7 question number 1. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for watching more videos and press like button. Please give your feedback and suggestion for the improvement. Thank you.